Mason Phillips Academy in Tura organized a jumble sale on April 5th to raise funds for the local children's home. The event, led by the Department of Social Work, aimed to generate essential resources for the welfare of children in need. The community came together, actively participating in the sale and contributing to the cause. The Academy is committed to making a positive difference in the lives of children in the home. The fundraising initiative was a great success, demonstrating the community's strong support for the children's welfare. The event continues the Academy's tradition of social responsibility.
This initiative was fully led by our students with the aim of raising funds for children in need. And the proceeds from this sale will be donated to the children's home for both boys and girls. Through this event, our students gain practical experience in organizing and managing a social welfare activity.
In a groundbreaking development